Hello fam, and today we're going to learn how to make your phone run faster with these two easy steps. First of all, open settings, then scroll down to the place where you have about phone, click on about phone, then again you want to scroll down until the place you'll find it's written bill number. Now click on bill number 7 times until it tells you you're now a developer. Then you want to go back, then click on system. Once you click on system, advanced, then go to developer options. Now after going to developer options, you want to scroll down. You have to scroll down to the part where you see the options of drawing. Then you'll see the three different types of animation scales. So we have the window animation scale, we have the transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. Now by default you'll find it will be ×1, but now what you want to do is change the animation scale to 0.5. All of them, the three of them, are changed to 0.5. In some rare situations when your phone is so slow, you want to turn off all animations so that your phone can run much faster, especially when you have low RAM capacity like 1 GB or even in some cases 2 GB. You want to turn off all animations for your phone to run smoothly without lag or crashing. Now the second thing you want to do, you'll want to clear something called the cache memory. So cache memory is memory that is stored on your phone by apps that you use in order to fasten access of data the next time you are using the application or to access a service. This is how you're going to do it. Just go to app, then select an app, let's say something like YouTube, which you use over time and accumulates data. You want to click on storage and cache, then clear cache, then go back, then try using the app and you'll feel the difference in the time it takes to run. You also have something like TikTok, then just clear the cache and feel the difference. Try the tutorial, then leave a comment about what you think, if it helped you or not. This one will help me to improve the channel. That's all I have to say for today. Thank you.